today we're going to learn how to achieve this blurred effect, this fade in effect with Pixellab. Now you can see the way it's smooth. The last time I showed us how to achieve something as smooth as this with Photoshop CC. You can see the link to that video in the description. Now we're going to learn how to do this with just your Pixellab app, with your smartphone and Pixellab. You can achieve this very wonderful fading effect. So let's get right into it. The first thing to do is to import your image. All right. So this is the image we're going to use. To import your image, just click on import. All right. Click on import. All right. So you can go to anywhere your image is located in your folders and import the image. So this is the image we're going to use. Now the next thing is for us to centralize the image by clicking on relative positioning and clicking on this horizontal align to the center vertically. All right. So now the next thing is for us to make a shape. So go to shapes and then click, rather adjust the shape to where you want the fading effect to start. You can adjust to cover the whole of the page and all of that. So adjust with this circle, toggle the circles to adjust. All right. So this is it. This is the beginning. All right. So the next thing is for you to scroll down on this interface. You see fill color. When you see fill color, you see color and gradients. Now click on gradients. Now you can see I already have presets. This was what I did to achieve this wonderful fading effect. And you can notice that it's actually blended in a white background. All right. So now I have done others, but I'm going to show you how to make this from scratch. Now to make this from scratch, just scroll to your right and click on any of the gradient presets. I will recommend this one, the first one, that the gradient is going from top to bottom. All right, so just click on plus. Now when you see plus, you see that the black gradient is at the top, the black color of the gradient is at the top, and the white is at the bottom. Now you see this five uh, that's what we're going to use to achieve. What we're going to achieve. Now, the first thing to do is to click on the color you want to, you want to be at the bottom. All right. So white is the color that's supposed to be at the bottom. So it's already white. All right. But if the color gradient is not white, you click on this color bowl and then you can toggle this color wheel. All right. To whatever color by toggling with this little circle in the middle. All right, so it's already white. So just to take it back to white, these three bars, the first one takes colors to the lightest, the second one takes colors to the darkest, and the third one makes colors transparent. All right, so the first one changes the colors to the brightest, and the brightest color is white, so we have white. That's what we want. Now the second one is black, and we want to make it transparent. Now click on this color bowl and then click on the third bar, the bar at the bottom. Now when you toggle it over to the left, you see that the opacity is reduced all the way, so it's now transparent. Now when you click on OK, you see that the top is transparent but the bottom is white. Now if I click OK just like this, you see that the edge of the image is still showing. So what do I do to blend it in properly? Click on your gradient settings. When you click on gradient settings, just click on pause to edit it. Now what you do, when you shift the bar, you see this bar that shows us the color gradient. When you shift the white closer to the left, closer to the gradient, you see that the white color becomes more visible. All right, and want the white color to be more visible to cover the edge of the image. All right, so this is it. All right, so you can click on good whenever you are okay with what you have. So this is at your own discretion. All right, so you click on OK. Now you can see now that my image is now perfectly faded in and blending in with the background. All right, now so you can choose to centralize your image, which you've already done. And you can go ahead to continue with your design by writing, whatever thing you want to do. All right, now so that's it. Now I'll be starting a background manipulation series very soon. So if you are eager to see me do that, just comment that you want to see me do that, and I'll go ahead to do it. All right, then do well, follow my channel for more tips on graphic design. See you in the next video, and bye.